All right, class, the first kind of problem we're going to do is the most missed problem for finding the z-score. And this problem was 5.02, number 3, so you can pull up that quiz and take a look at it now. You can pause and go find it if you need to. It is 5.02, number 3, and it says a certain brand of automobile tire has a mean lifespan of 35,000 miles and a standard deviation of 2,250 miles. And they want us to find the z-score. And to find the z-score, you need the formula for a z-score. And if you remember, the formula for the z-score is x minus the mean over the standard deviation. And so we got to figure out what those are. So the mean is going to be 35,000. And the standard deviation is 2250. And the x changes on each one. Like for A, the x is equal to 34,000. For B, it's 37,000. And for C, it's 31,000. So I'm going to start with A. And that is going to be 34,000 minus 35,000 over 2250. And so I do that. 34,000 minus 35,000 is negative 1,000 over 2250. So I'm going to put that in the calculator. 1,000 divided by 2250. And I get negative 0.44. And see, it's 0.44444. I'm going to round it to 2 decimals, negative 0.44. And there's my answer. All right, for B, I'm going to get 37,000 as the x. 37,000 minus 35,000 over sigma, which is 2250. Now, I want you to notice that the average is 35,000. That first one scored below average, 34,000, so I got a negative z-score, and you should. If they go below average, you get negative. If they go above average, you get a positive. And if they do exactly average, you'll get 0. So what do we get on this one? We get 2,000 divided by 2250. And so I'm going to do that in the calculator. 2,000 divided by 2250. And I get I'm going to call that 0.89. For the test, I would round to 2 decimals. That's what you're going to be told to do. So that rounds up to 0.89. So 0.89 would be the correct answer on that one. And then for C, it is 31,000 for x minus 35,000 over 2250. So that up top is negative 4,000 over 2250. And so I'll put that in, 4,000 divided by 2250. And it's going to be negative. And it's 1.7 repeating, so it's going to be 1.78, because that rounds up from 777 would round up to 0.78, and that would be negative 1.78, and that is how you do number 3 of 5.2.